This poem is Land of Counterpane, is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. And so this poem Land of Counterpane is written about imagination. Okay, so before we start, we need to know that the counterpane simply means bed cover. Okay, dear students, the first stanza that we have here is: when I was sick and lay abed, and I had two pillows at my head, and all my toys beside me lay to keep me happy all the day. In the first paragraph, a boy is dreaming that when he was sick and he was laying on a bed, and all his toys were with him, and they were keeping him happy. It means in this poem, a boy is dreaming and he is saying that all the toys are here and there with him and they keep him happy. Have a look at the next stanza. And sometimes for an hour or so I watched my leaden soldiers go with the different uniforms and drills among the bedclothes through the hills. In the second paragraph, he saw some soldiers in the uniform and they were drilling through hills. The soldiers are going on the hills and they are drilling, but actually the boy on the bed. Okay, he was dreaming on a bed seat. Have a look at the next stanza. And sometimes send my sheep in fleets and all up and down among the sheets, and or brought my trees and houses out and planted cities all about. In the third paragraph, he saw some groups of sheep which were going up and down. He was in the ship and seeing all cities. He was walking and he was in the ship and he is going to see the cities and he was in the ship. And you can see the bed cover and of the child, and lots of things are design on it. Here can see soldiers and trees can see here, and houses are there. There you can also see ships, and water is also designed on this, and so lots of things that design on the bed cover. Okay, have a look at the next stanza. I was again great and still that sits upon the pillow's hill, and sees before him dale and plain, the pleasant land of counterpane. In the last paragraph, the boy was again great, but he was still. He was actually felt that he was on the valley, but actually he was on the pillows. Means actually boys on a pillows, but he felt pillows are like a valley. Dale means a valley. Okay, a boy felt his bed sheet as a land. In this poem, a boy was dreaming all the bed sheet. This is an explanation of the poem. I hope it is a very good story, and all will do it carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day.